Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's go over how to convert 1/10 into a fraction. Okay, let's begin just by placing it over 1. Next, what we need to do is we need to get rid of the decimal and move it one place to the right. In order to do that, we need to multiply it by 10. Okay, what we do to the numerator, we must do to the denominator. So when we do this, 1/10 times 10 is 1, and then 1 times 10 is 10. Okay. At this point, we could simplify, but since we have a 1 here, it is already simplified. So 1/10 as a fraction equals 1 over 10. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.